Hello students, the chapter we are going to discuss here is the coordination chemistry, and the topic which is under discussion is crystal field splitting energy. But before going to the main part of the chapter, let us see little bit about coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry mainly belongs to the chemistry of transition metal ions. As we all know that transition metal ions consist the d orbitals. So first of all, let us see the shapes of all d orbitals. Here first of all we have the dz square orbital, this orbital present along z axis. The next orbital is dx square minus y square orbital, this orbital present along x and y axis. The next orbital dxy orbital, this orbital present in between of x and y coordinates. Then we have dyz orbital, this orbital present between y and z coordinates, and the last dzx orbital, this orbital present in between z and x coordinates. So these are the 5 orbitals of d subshell. These orbitals are of different shape, but in the absence of any ligand field, the energy of these all orbitals are same, and that is why they are called degenerate d orbitals. But in the presence of any particular field, these d orbitals of transition metal ion split up in a different manner. So let us see one by one. Here we have octahedral field, tetrahedral field and sphere planar field of the ligands. In the first category, in the octahedral field, here is the transition metal ion surrounded by the 6 ligands along x, y and z axis. These ligands consist filled electron orbitals which interacted with the transition metal ion orbitals. And in this interaction, the energy of transition metal ion enhanced. Here are the degenerate orbitals in the absence of any ligand. But in the presence of 6 ligands, energy of d orbitals enhanced. Now, to get the stability complex, metal ion split its orbitals into 2 energy levels. First is Eg energy level and another one is T2g energy level. Energy of Eg energy level is higher than T2g energy level. The energy difference between the 2 energy level is known as 10 dK. Here we have the splitting of the d orbitals in the presence of the 6 ligands. In case of tetrahedral field, the transition metal ion is surrounded by 4 ligands which is present at the position of a regular tetrahedron. But here, in case of tetrahedral ligand field symmetry, we have here 2 lesser ligands as compared to octahedral field symmetry. And ligands here attack at 2 lesser positions as compared to octahedral field symmetry. So that is why the energy difference between the 2 energy levels of tetrahedral ligand field symmetry, which is delta T, is equal to 4 by 9 delta naught. Now in case of square field symmetry, the square field symmetry is the extended form of octahedral ligand field symmetry. Here, the central transition metal ion is surrounded by the 4 ligands present at the 4 positions of a square planar. Now, here the orbitals of transition metal ions here split up in this manner. As I told, that square planar field symmetry is the extended form of octahedral ligand field symmetry. That is because if we remove 2 ligands at the z axis, then we will get the square planar ligand field symmetry. as no ligand is present along z-axis. So the orbitals of this transition metal ion which is present along z-axis got stabilization. See, here is dz square orbital and dyz and dzx orbital. These orbitals got stabilization because here no ligand is present along the z-axis, while the rest of orbitals, which is dx square and minus y square, dxy, these orbitals raised their energy because they are present in the direct interaction with these ligands. So that is why energy of these two orbitals enhanced while these three orbitals decreased. Energy difference between the square field in case of square planar ligand field is higher than octahedral ligand field, and the crystal field splitting energy is minimum in case of tetrahedral field. So here is the descending order in terms of crystal field splitting energy. Crystal field splitting energy here is maximum in case of square planar. Then we have term of octahedral field, and here at last we have the tetrahedral field splitting. So crystal field splitting energy is minimum in case of tetrahedral ligand field symmetry. One more factor there exists which can affect the crystal field splitting energy. Basically, crystal field splitting energy is the amount of energy by which any complex got stabilization during its formation. Okay. So another factor is the ligand field strength. On the basis of ligand field strength, crystal field splitting energy of a particular metal ion increases or decreases. That depends upon the ligand field strength. Here is a small order, a brief order prepared for different ligand field in according to their strength. Carbon atom donor ligands have highest ligand field strength, while halogens having the minimum ligand field strength. So here among this series we have taken three ligands: water, ammonia and cyanide. Here the metal we have taken is the cobalt in positive 3 oxidation state, and its complex is formed with water, ammonia and cyanide ligands. Okay, so now let us see the effect of these three ligands on the crystal field splitting energy of this cobalt metal ion in positive 3 oxidation state. Here is the crystal field splitting energy pattern. What we are observing here, that in case of hexa aqua cobalt 3 positive complex, the crystal field energy is lower than hexaamine cobalt 3 positive complex, because here ammonia is a strong field ligand as compared to water, so it splits more the two energy levels and enhance the value of crystal field splitting energy. However, in the last case, when we have taken cyanide with the cobalt metal ion, then the crystal field splitting energy increases more as compared to this hexaamine cobalt complex. So that means here the ligand field strength in this way, and the carbon donor ligand having highest ligand field strength that cause maximum crystal field splitting energy. So among these complexes, hexa aqua cobalt, hexaamine cobalt and hexacyanido cobalt, the maximum crystal field splitting energy is observed in case of this complex. So the order of crystal field splitting energy is 3, 2, 1. Here is complex 3, third, here is second complex, here is first complex. So crystal field splitting energy decreases from 3 to 1. I hope with this example all of you students very well acquainted with the effect of the ligand field strength on the crystal field splitting.